Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. The first five questions deal with phrase replacement. You see a sentence with a few words in bold, and those are phrases. You have to decide whether the given phrase or the phrase in bold is right or wrong. If the given phrase is right, you should mark the fifth option. No correction required. I'll read the first sentence. The best leaders know how to. The best leaders know how to keep moving forward even in ambiguous situations. Here, the word kept is in bold, and you should consider the preposition to. Generally, everyday English also we say, he knows how to do something. He doesn't know how to swim, how to do something. After to, we should use the verb in the basic form. So here, kept is not correct. The best leaders know how to. I think all this is in bold. The best leaders know how to keep moving forward. This is correct. Leaders knows not correct. Know is not correct. Knew is not correct. Answer is the first option. The best leaders know how to keep moving forward even in ambiguous situations. Easy one. Question number two. With the right mentoring at the top, everyone stands to gain. With the right mentoring or guidance at the top, everyone stands to gain. That means everyone has a chance to gain. Absolutely no problem. You don't have to consider any of these. Everyone stands. The sentence is in present tense, subject is singular. So everyone stands to gain. Answer is the fifth option, no correction required. Asking questions helps us better understand what has been said. What has been said, obviously not correct. What has been said, has been, no. What has been said, have been say. Asking questions helps us better understand what has been said. The we should use has been said. The verb should be in the past participle form. Answer is the second option. Question number four. A high performer is 400 times much productivity than the average performer. The clue for you, so the sentence is comparison. The clue for you, the word than. Then you cannot say much productivity. A high performer is 400 times more productive, it should be. More, more is right, but produce is not correct. Productive more, absolutely wrong. More productive, much cannot be used. A high performer is 400 times more productive than the average performer. Comparative form, productive, more productive than the average performer. Answer is the third option. Question number five. Whether people change or not is largely determines by why they change. Whether people change or not is largely, this is not correct, is largely determined by. Large is not correct. Largely determined by. Determination not correct. Answer is obviously the second option. Whether people change or not is largely decided by or determined by why they change. Answer is the second option. All the five questions are easy, absolutely no problem. Now, the passage, I think there are 15 questions. The passage is all about financial crisis related to the banking sector, I suppose. Yes. And not 10 questions, 15 questions. Question number six. Which of the following is or are the possible impact or impacts of prescriptive supervision? Prescribe, in a way, direct prescriptive supervision, not giving a free hand. Governments are likely to collapse as people are opposed to such measures. Possible impact. Many executives are likely to exploit the system. These measures could unintentionally prolong a crisis. All the three are correct. Prescriptive supervision. They should be given a free hand, but if they go in for prescriptive supervision, governments are likely to collapse. Many executives are likely to exploit the system. These measures could unintentionally prolong a crisis. Based on that, answer is the fourth option, all A, B, and C. Question number 7. Why has the author cited the reference of America repealing the Glass-Steagall Act? Steagall Act. Why has the author cited the reference of America repealing the Glass-Steagall Act? To indicate that regulations were relaxed without appreciating the impact on the economy. Hold this one. To criticize the backward restrictions that rich countries imposed on developing countries. No. To show the to show that the economy had not progressed much since the depression. No, not related to that. To illustrate that only America could foresee the financial crisis. To indicate the soundness of America's financial system prior to depression. Answer is the first option, to indicate that the passage is all about regulations, to indicate that regulations were relaxed without appreciating the impact on the economy. Question number 8. Choose the word which is most nearly the same in meaning as a word crowd given in bold as used in the passage. You all know the word crowd, generally speaking. At the fag end of the passage, you see the word crowd. Also, if regulators underwrite certain strategies that seem safe, such as lending to small businesses, they may encourage banks to crowd into those lines. Based on that, the question says similar in meaning. Crowd into, multitude, no. Go into, in a way. Crowd into those lines. Based on that, flock into. This seems right. Party, irrelevant. True, irrelevant. Riot, out of context. Answer is the second option. Flock. Crowd into, flock into. Question number 9. Which of the following is the central idea of the passage? Regulators are lazy and shirk their duty of protecting financial systems. Banks should go back to traditional banking and abandon riskier options. Banks in developed countries have destroyed developing economies. Today, the task of financial regulation is tricky. As I said, the passage is all about regularities, regulation. That too, financial regulation. Today, the task of financial regulation is tricky. Financial systems have been damaged beyond repair. No, answer is the fourth option. Today, the task of financial regulation is tricky. Question number 10. Choose the word which is opposite in meaning to the word failing given in bold as used in the passage. The word failing is in the last paragraph at the beginning of the last paragraph. In rich countries, enthusiasm for prescriptive supervision depends on the degree of harm suffered during the banking crisis or to the threat from the failing banks. Failing banks. They want the opposite, increasing, passing, succeeding. Failing, in a way, failure related to that. So, based on that, opposite should be succeeding. So, answer is the third option, succeeding. Failing banks, succeeding banks. Easy one. Question number 11. Choose the word which is most nearly the same in meaning as the word last. The word last is in the last paragraph here. The good ideas that may have prevented the last crisis, not last crisis. Question number 11, same meaning. Final, continue, first, recent. Based on the context, last crisis means a recent crisis. Answer is the fourth option. Again, easy one, should not be a problem. Question number 12. Which of the following is or are the consequence or consequences of the crisis of 2008? Banks have become overconfident in their abilities to regulate themselves. Consequences. Crisis, then they cannot become overconfident. One is A is ruled out. Regulators have increased vigilance of financial systems. Yes. Economies are careful about foreign investment. Yes. Based on that, answer is the second option only B and C. Question number 13. Opposite in meaning tentatively. Tentative means not fixed for the time being, generally. Tentative stepping, tentative plan, tentative program. Here the question says, what is the opposite? Hesitantly. Tentatively means not with complete confidence or not with a firm decision. They want the opposite. So hesitantly, more or less the same. Wisely, not relevant. Cautiously, no. Foolishly, no. Answer is the second option. Boldly. Question number 14. Which of the following approaches was adopted by the financial sector of rich world economies prior to the crisis? Before the crisis, banks strictly adhere to outdated laws? No. Banks maintain very large capital cushions. They were innovative and took a lot of risks. Answer is the third option. They were innovative and took innovative people only take risks and took a lot of risks. Answer is the third option. Question number 15. What does the author want to convey through the phrase under the old rules? Supervisors were simply referees trying to ensure that the game was played fairly. Regulators did not make mistakes while regulating financial markets. Regulators were passive and did not intervene in the working of financial organizations in the past. Regulators were concerned about the health of financial organizations. Regulators used to cross the line, regulators devised. No, referee means umpire, were referees. Based on that, answer is the second option. Regulators were passive and did not intervene in the working of financial organizations in the past. Question number 16. Which of the following can be said about light touch regulation adopted by Britain? Light touch, feather touch, soft touch, they all mean the same. It gave Britain's financial institutions very little autonomy. It forced banks to invest in government bonds. It resulted in banks holding too much capital. It encouraged financial activity in the country. Answer is the third option. It resulted in banks holding too much capital. Question number 17. Which of the following difficulties is faced by regulators at present? Banks, it's about regulators, it is not about banks. Striking a balance between protecting and stifling the economy. Answer is the third option. Which of the following difficulties faced by regulators at present? Striking a balance between protecting and stifling the economy. Answer is the third option. Question number 18. Which of the following is true in the context of the passage? The financial crisis of 2008 did not impact developing countries. Markets can easily regulate themselves. I think financial crisis restrictions are a sign of backwardness, but the resulting crisis of 2008 put an end to this belief. Answer should be the first option. The financial crisis of 2008 did not impact developing countries. Question number 19. Same meaning, limits. It has been given in the second sentence of the first paragraph at the beginning of the passage. Limits on foreign ownership. Same meaning, caps, rims, frames, frontiers, skirts. It is, the answer is the first option. Caps means restrictions. Limits, restrictions, caps, they all mean the same. So, same meaning, answer is the first option. Question number 20. What is author's view of central banks' present efforts at regulation? These are unnecessary and harmful to banks. These are faulty as they encourage risky financial innovations. Answer is the second option. Question number 20. These are faulty as they encourage risky financial innovations. That's all about the passage. 15 questions, not 10 questions. You got to read very carefully because it is about financial aspects and also the banking sector. The next five questions deal with parajumble. Now let us go in for the first sentence. Let us take elimination approach. But cannot be the first sentence. The assumption cannot be the first sentence. Considering all the interactions, large scale increase in forest cover can actually, it cannot be the opening statement. Deforestation, what is this about? Deforestation related to that carbon increase. That is, cannot be the first sentence. In reality, the cycling of carbon cannot be the first sentence. So, what is the first sentence here? D is the first sentence. Deforestation accounts for about 20% of global emissions of carbon dioxide. The assumption is that planting trees, based on that, deforestation accounts for about 20% of global emissions of carbon dioxide. Based on that, the assumption is that planting trees and avoiding further deforestation, avoiding further deforestation provides a convenient carbon capture and storage facility on the land. Second sentence is B. But the conventional wisdom is wrong. This is a conventional wisdom assumption, but not that one. That is the conventional wisdom. There's one more here about that assumption. That assumption is nothing but conventional wisdom. That is a conventional wisdom. Now, based on that, the third sentence is E. But the conventional wisdom is wrong. Obviously, this should be the next one. Conventional wisdom is wrong. After that, what is the next sentence? Conventional wisdom, assumption wrong. Then what is the reality? In reality, the cycling of carbon, energy, and water between the land and the atmosphere is much more complex. And what is the last sentence? Considering all these interactions, considering all the interactions, large scale increase in forest cover can actually make global warming worse. Oh, it is counterproductive. The last sentence is C. So, what is the correct order? D, B, E, A, all one idea. Then reality, conventional wisdom. After that, the last two, F and C, contrary to that traditional wisdom. A conventional wisdom, reality, and it could be counterproductive. This is the correct order. Now let us go to, I'll skip all these, 26. 26 to 30, I suppose, related to double fillers. The right fabric, excuse me, the right fabric can do wonders for your frame and as a consequence, your confidence. This seems right. The right fabric can do marvels. This is also right for your frame, and as a side, no. As a process, no. As a finish, no. As a result, seems right. The right fabric can do superb. No, you cannot use the word superb. Based on that, what is the answer? The right fabric can do wonders for your frame. And as a consequence, your confidence. Answer is the first option, easy to make out. 27. To the challenge of fighting drug addiction, taking two, rising to, waking, living, preparing. Let us consider rising to the challenge, rise to the occasion, rise to the challenge. Rising to the challenge of fighting drug addiction, children have taken up the task of spreading awareness against drugs. Children have set is not correct, dreamt is not correct, picked up, no, caught up, not relevant. What is the answer? Rising to the occasion, standard expression. Based on that, rising to the challenge of fighting drug addiction, children have taken up the task of spreading awareness against drugs. Answer is the second option, again easy. A new study has, you need a verb in past participle, all are verbs in past participle form. A new study has said, not said, stated, not stated, revealed, usually study, disclose, reveal. Let us consider this one, not stated. A new study has revealed the five most common health issues in men and how to prevent them. This is right, this is also right. A new study has exposed the five most common health issues in men and how to react. No. Laid is not correct. How to restrict? No. Answer is the third option. A new study has revealed the five most common health issues in men and how to prevent them. Easy question again. 29. Students will be judged on their reading. Will be kept? No. Will be tested. Usually, students they will be tested. Evaluated, you can consider. Calculated, not relevant. Students will be judged on their reading and writing abilities through question papers assorted by the government. Assorted is not correct. Tested through question papers provided. This seems right. Evaluated. Question papers asked by the government. No. What is the answer? Students will be tested on their reading and writing abilities through question papers provided by the government. Answer is the third option. Easy one. Question number 30. The wheat grains do not meet, usually we say the standards, required standards. Let us see. The total standards, most standards, excellence standards, optimistic, quality standards. This seems all these words cannot be considered. The wheat grains do not meet the quality standards prescribed for procurement of food grains by government agencies. Perfect. Answer is the fifth option. Again, easy, not at all difficult. Now, the next set of questions deal with spot the errors. Apart, only one error you have to spot. Apart of not speaking up enough, you don't have to read the remaining sentence. It is not a part of, usually we say apart from. So, what is the correct word? It is not of, it is from. Apart from not speaking up enough, many professionals do not think about how asking different types of questions can lead to different outcomes. Apart from, besides. So, there's an error in the first part. Easy one. When business leaders fail to decide and act wisely, their companies plural, companies suffer, not suffers. An easy one. When business leaders fail to decide and act wisely, their companies suffer. One reading you can spot the error. In the current year, small lenders who global banks, not who, whom, whom global banks have long sneered at, are performing better than the Jains, who the global banks have long sneered at someone. Then we use whom, not who. More better is not correct. Better than the Jains. 34. We are often blindly to the many forces. You don't have to go beyond. We are often blind to the many forces that create and sustain our behaviors. We are often blind to something. It is not blindly blind to someone or blind to something. There's an error in the first part. Question number 35. Millennials are often criticized for their constant use of technology and obsession on the social approval. Obsession takes a preposition with, not. Millennials are often criticized for two things. One, for their constant use of technology, no problem, no error, and obsession with the social approval, signaled by likes, shares, and retweets. So it is not obsession on, obsession with. So there's an error in the third part. 36, question number 36. With the exception of music, no other industry has embraced globalization as keenly as the banking industry. I don't think there's any error. Question number 36. With the exception of music, no other industry. I think it should be music industry. With the exception of music industry, only music is not, it talks about industries. With the exception of music industry, no other industry has embraced globalization as keenly as the banking industry. There is an error. It is not music, it should be music industry. Question number 37. The bank's stringent onboarding process for new executives ensures that they understand from other leaders what it takes to success. The bank's stringent onboarding process for new executives ensures that they understand from other leaders what it takes to success. Absolutely no problem. Answer is no error. Fifth option. Question number 38. CEOs have a lot to worry about. CEOs, plural form, have a lot to worry about. But what are their greatest concerns? What are their greatest concerns? There's no error. The key says the first part. I don't see any error. Have a lot to worry about. Perfect expression. Question number 39. High performance show a stronger tendency to direct their own learning, which may be one of the ways to predict who will be a high performer. High performers show a stronger tendency. Here we are not comparing a strong tendency to direct. We don't have to use a comparative form. So, where is the error? There is an error in the first part. It is high performance show a strong tendency to direct their own learning, which may be one of the ways to predict who will be a high performer. It is not stronger, it is strong. Question number 40. The central bank has cut its policy repo rate by 50 basis points, but only a few banks has. You don't have to read about after that. Only a few banks have lowered their base lending rates. Only a few banks have lowered. Banks plural, you cannot use has. That's all about spot the errors. Almost all the questions are easy to answer. The last 10 questions deal with cloze test, a short paragraph all about learning experiences related to learning and children, I suppose. Let us see the first one. Visual experiences can, children, teenagers, and even adults can help aiding, grammatically not correct, prescribe, no, feature, no, present. It is about learning or some experience. Visual experiences can help children, teenagers, and even adults learn and absorb more due to its highly stimulating and what? Plus lonely, ably many, deeply engaging impact. Visual experiences can. help children, teenagers, and even adults learn and absorb more due to its highly stimulating, deeply engaging. Parallel expression. Answer is the fifth option. 43. It is for this reason that we are seeing an increase in schools across the globe incorporating content provider programs, pressing, following, parting, leaving. 43, it should be the first one, incorporating into the syllabus or curriculum, incorporating content provider programs into the class curriculum. To do what? To make, demand, impart, learning, relevant word, impart. To impart lessons through video. All these are not correct. Impart knowledge, a typical expression. Impart lessons through video. Virtual excursions and school collaborations are what? Are dissolved, enhanced, measured, failed, blasted. It's a positive context, enrichment related. Answer is the second option, enhanced. Visual excursions and school collaborations are enhanced by advances in high definition video, high fidelity audio, and content sharing, allowing students to experience a richer and more stimulating learning experience. Schools that have previously transported students to excursions in what? Indeed, in total, in lieu, in parent, in person. Excursions in person now face increased transportation costs, higher insurance premiums, attendance costs for the families, and strict duty of care policies for students while what? While involving saving away from school, of vacating, while away school property, while 47, while involving school property. Answer is because away from is not there here, and strict duty of care policies for students while involving school property. Virtual excursions, virtual excursions let enable present pressure collect enable. Virtual excursions enable students to improve their presentation, research, listening, and speaking skills while they engage in a live learning session. Enable is the right word. 49. Students also now have the ability to meet peers, same group, same level, from many cultures, speak to subject matter experts, it should be. Subject matter experts. Answer is the fourth option. Subject matter experts, like scientists or authors, practice a foreign language with students from another country and learn about global issues from the vacancy, availability, safety of their own classrooms. From the safety. You can also use the word comfort, from the comfort of their own classrooms or from the safety of their own classrooms. Interesting paragraph. You can get all the 10, absolutely no problem. That's all about today's paper, an easy paper, but for the passage, a lengthy one, and 15 questions you got to read twice, thrice, but all based on explicit information. Not difficult, but all of the questions out of 50, don't consider passage, 15 questions, but 35 questions easy to answer. That's all about this paper. Thank you very much.